My Hayward pool pump is making a loud, high-pitched noise. Is there a way to determine if it is the motor bearings, or the impeller, or some other part? If it is the motor bearings, can I replace the bearings, or will the motor have to be replaced again?
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. If you have any questions after I give my answer, just let me know. Usually a high-pitched noise will indicate bad bearings. They are not too hard to replace if you have bearing pullers. If you don't, then you can have it rebuilt at an electric motor repair shop for about half the cost of a new motor. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Hello, I switched to this format because I thought it seemed as though your reply didn't come through. Do you need further help?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.